Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can deposit money in your Phantom wallet. Note that you can't do direct transfer from your bank account to your Phantom wallet. You have to do that through third-party apps like Binance, Bitcoin or Coinbase because Phantom wallet only allow transfer in or out through crypto. So for that, you have to use these apps. If we talk about these apps, Coinbase is known for its friendly interface and is best for beginners. And if we talk about Binance is best for its low fee. And if we talk about Bybit is best for advanced trading. So here in this video, I will use Bybit. So let's begin the video. Here you can see your account balance and you can see the send and receive option. Now as we want to deposit, so we have to choose the option receive here. Now by clicking on the option receive, you can see all the coins are shown here: Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, and you can see the copy option and the scan option in front of these coins. So for copying Phantom wallet receiving address, you have to open one of these coins. For example, I've opened Ethereum here. Here you can see the address in the bottom. You can copy that simply by clicking on the copy option, and you can also share that by clicking on the share option. And this is same for all coins. Now I will gonna copy the address for Solana. I have opened Solana and I have copied the address from the option given below. That was all the work that you have to do on your Phantom wallets. Now I will gonna open Bybit. Here in Bybit, you can see the home page and you can see the option assessed in the bottom. Now by clicking on the assessed option in the bottom, this page will open. Here you can see your total balance, you can see deposit, withdraw, transfer options. Now as we want to transfer money from our Bybit account to our Phantom wallet, so I'm choosing transfer. Here you can see that transfer is happening from a funding account to a trading account. Here in coin, you have to choose the coin. Here you have to search for Solana. I have choose Solana. This process is same for all the coins. You can choose whatever coin you want. Now you have to write an amount here. Now after writing amount, you can click on confirm, and that's how you can transfer your money. Now if we talk about the advantages and disadvantages of depositing money from Bybit to Phantom. So the pros include decentralization and self-custody, access to DeFi and Web3, low transition fee. Bybit ensure low fee compared to Ethereum, fast transition and security. And if we talk about the cons, irregular transition. Once transfer, you can't reverse the transition if there is any error. For example, if wrong address has been provided. And network congestion issues. Solana has experienced network and downtime which may affect transition. Withdrawal fee on Bybit. Bybit may charge a withdrawal fee which vary depend on the assets you are transferring. Risk of losing a key. If you have lost your Phantom wallet seed phrase, you lose access to your funds permanently. Limited customer support. And these are the things to consider before transferring. Double check the deposited account, Solana versus Ethereum, to avoid sending access to the wrong chain. Confirm Bybit's withdrawal fees and Phantom's minimum deposit requirements. Use a small test transition before sending a large amount. And that's how you can deposit money in your Phantom account. If you find this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.